Good day everyone. Now, I am going to solve about problems involving L'Hopital's rule. L'Hopital's rule is when a limit of f of x over g of x as x approaches to a is in indeterminate form. So therefore, we are going to derive the both function, which is the f of x and g of x. Now, we have here the problem. So our problem now is to evaluate the limit, which is the limit of x, ln x, minus x squared plus x over the squared of the difference of x minus 1 as x approaches to 1. So first, we're gonna directly apply the limit, which is as x approaches to 1. So substitute the x by 1. So we have here 1 ln 1 minus 1 squared plus 1 over the squared of the difference of 1 and 1. So we have the indeterminate form. So since indeterminate man siya, so i-derive na to ang first, or we are going to apply the L'Hopital's rule and we are going to derive this function. So we have here the f prime of x is equals to the g prime of x over h prime of x. So i-derive na to ang first function and the second function. So we have here the limit, derivation of the x, which is 1, and ln x, copy the ln x, plus the derivation of the second term times the first term. So we have here the x times 1 over x minus 2x plus 1. So giderive na to ang x squared and giderive po na to ang x. So next, i-derive na po na to ang diri sa ubos nga term or the function or the denominator. So we're gonna use the chain rule. First, i-derive na to iyang exponent, which is the squared. So we have 2 times the function inside, and i-derive na po na to ang function nga naa sa sulod, so which is the 1. So limit ln x plus 1 gisimplify ra ni ln x plus 1 minus 2x plus 1 over 2x minus 2 as x approaches to 1. So i-apply na po na to ang limit if mag-indeterminate siya. So ln 1 plus 1 minus 2 times 1 plus 1, 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 minus 2. So mag-indeterminate man siya gyapon. So we are going to derive na pud nato ni, or apply na pud tag another L'Hopital's rule. So i-derive na pud nato ni nga term. So we have here, we are going to derive this ln x plus 1 minus 2x plus 1 over 2x minus 2. So for our second derivation, or second applying of L'Hopital's rule, so we have here derivation of ln x. We have 1 over x minus si 2, ang derivation sa constant is 0, so diretso na nato diri. So ang derivation sa 2x is 2 na lang, and sa baba is 2 na lang sad. So limit 1 over x minus 2 over 2 as x approaches to 1. So i-apply na to ang limit, which is as x approaches to 1, we have 1 over 1 or 1 minus 2 over 2. So we have here the 1/2. So therefore, ang limit is nag-exist, or the limit is negative 1/2. And that's all for L'Hopital's rule.